Hey guys, I'm back with another hotel review. We're going to be looking at the Moxy Hotel in Honmachi, Osaka. I've been reviewing travel stuff for my trip in Japan, including a flight, lounges, and hotels, so check those out as well if you haven't already. I'll link the videos in the description. Alright, as we walk through this busy Osaka station, I'll talk more about the hotel. The Moxy Hotels is a Marriott brand, and I've always liked the vibe of these hotels because, I don't know, I'm a millennial. I'm staying 5 nights here because I had 5 free night certificates thanks to my Chase Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card. So the whole stay was basically free. It would have been $1,300 if I paid cash. Here's the lobby. Like I said, very millennial vibe. The check-in lobby is actually the bar. And then there are games like darts, foosball, pool, but we didn't do all of that. The reason? Well, the itinerary is packed. We did eat a few times here and I will show you that later. Here's some more samples of the millennial stuff on and around the elevator. I mean, who comes up with these, man? First up, the room tour. This is the standard 2 twin bed room. It is very small. No upgrades here, even with my introductory Marriott status. No closets, but you can hang stuff on the wall with the pegs as you can see here. No minibar here, but it does have a fridge, which is very convenient because there's a 7-Eleven and a Family Mart nearby, and you would like to grab snacks and drinks, as you can see. You got a cool telephone design here, and then the view. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad, especially with a wall-to-ceiling window, and there was no option for a better view if you're paying with points. Here's the bathroom right here. I think the bathroom is big enough. I can't complain about the size. I appreciate the fact that they give us 2 bottles of water each time they clean the room. The toilet is of course high-tech, and I think this is standard stuff for Japanese hotels. And the shower had great water pressure. And also there's a stool. I guess some people find it comfortable sitting down while showering. I respect that. I'm actually surprised I forgot to take videos of the bar at night, but I just want to say we did eat here a couple of times. We had a pork noodle, which was delicious, and I also had a burger. I believe this was our last night here at this hotel. And probably the main reason why we didn't spend too much time in the hotel bar at night, it's because Dotonbori is only 2-3 stops away from the metro. And to be really honest, I believe that is the true full Osaka experience. Anyways, this video was not meant to be a Dotonbori video, so I'll just show you a couple of food items that we got. But yes, this is only a few stops away from the hotel. There's also a gym here, much smaller than the last hotel I went to, and I didn't spend too much time here, mainly because there's a dude and a little kid. It would be awkward to film for a long time, but here it is. I think it has all the essentials. There's also a coin-operated laundry. The gym and the laundry is on the 2nd floor, and you walk outside of that, there's a mezzanine with more common spaces, and it leads you back to the lobby. And breakfast. Again, with the convenience stores nearby, it was more fun to sample food there, but here in Moxy they turned the bar area into a breakfast buffet. I don't think there's anything too special about this, but here it is. Alright, that's my review for the Moxy Hotel in Honmachi. Sorry if it's a little bit shorter than my other hotel reviews. It's because out of the hotels that I've reviewed in this channel, this is the least fancy. And we use this as more of a hub primarily to explore Osaka, Kobe, and Himeji. But all in all, it's a very nice hotel. If you're a Westerner, you'd feel right at home here. Every staff we talked to spoke great English, and it's a Marriott, so you can accumulate points and status if you have a Bonvoy membership. But let me know what you guys think. Do you like this hotel? Should I have gone for other Marriott properties in the area? Let me know. If you like my reviews, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. Peace.